Hi everyone, in this video we are going to get started on our Shabby Chic purse. So first I like to lay out everything, kind of get a look at how I'm going to make it, and then I'll take everything off and I'm going to hot glue this lace onto the purse, and I'm just have it folded over like this, and I'm going to just start gluing it, and then I will trim everything off later, as I get into the next step. And you can use a pair of scissors or popsicle stick or your fingers to kind of press the lace down. I hate the glue strings, they just drive me nuts. So I try to use another tool if I can. And what I'm doing, I want to have it look almost like it's going in up under the metal frame so that it's not poking up over or kind of sticking out. I want to make it look like I sewed it in there. And then I'm just going to repeat the same step on this next side. So now I'm going to trim off the excess, and how I'm measuring, there's a little bit of the metal frame that goes down, so I want to measure to make sure where I cut that the fabric that's left on there is going to reach over to be tucked in up under the metal frame, or to kind of butt it up right to the end of it. Now, to let me know how much I need to trim off, I am folding one of the ends into it and then having it flapped over, and then just cutting along down it. It's kind of hard to put it into words, but hopefully you can understand by seeing. And then I flip it over to cut the side, and I'm just matching it up with the ends of the other side. And then I'm going to follow the same step on this, where I'm folding it in, making a cut, and then untucking it, folding it over, and I'm just cutting it down to match up with the other line where the fabric left off. So now I'm going to hot glue the rest of the fabric along the metal frame, so where it goes down on the side a little bit, and I'm going to do that on all four sides first before I hot glue the lace down the side of the purse to fully enclose the satin fabric. So how I'm going to glue the lace down, I'm going to fold one end into it, apply some hot glue along the edge of it, and then take the other piece of lace and press it onto the end of it. Kind of make it look like it's been sewed, like how you would have a seam if you sewed it. but I will have a raw edge. But with the hot glue, it should keep it from unraveling. And this fabric, it doesn't really unravel. It's not an easy one, to unravel. And when I get to the bottom, I'm going to tuck the bottom in with my finger, and then take the other side, fold it in like I've been doing, apply the glue, and then press the layer of glue, over it, so it kind of finishes it out. And of course, those glue strings, with doing it with the fingers, you're going to have some glue string. So now I'm going to start gluing down the layers of lace, like what I had pictured in the start of the video. And pretty much what I'm doing to one side is what I'm going to do to the other side. And but it'll be slightly different. And let's say if I wanted to use this, as a decor piece, I can change up the sides, like, have it flipped over and showing the one side for a while, and then turn it over and have the other side shown for a while. Or I could actually use this purse and, store some little goodies inside. So this white lace piece, I'm actually cutting it to make it smaller. I felt that the way I had it laid on there before, it was too big. So I'm just cutting it out, to make like a little lace applique, and then I'm going to glue the little pearl pendant piece down. I'm going to have the larger beaded piece on one side, and the smaller, pearl and diamond accent side on the other side. So on this lace, I wanted to cut it in half, widthwise and lengthwise, and I want to have it overlap each other to give kind of a dangle effect, like a flapper style purse. And so I'm just kind of laying it out how I want it to look, and then I'll glue it down. So I'm going to cut this beautiful fringe beaded piece in half, glue it down, and then I will be repeating the same steps onto the other side. This will complete this tutorial video. In our last tutorial video, we are going to make the handmade embellishments to finish out our purse.